Hello everyone, in this video we're going to consider May 2025 analysis and approaches IB high-level math questions, paper 1, question number 3. So let's have a look. This is a 4 marks total, right? So it shouldn't be so difficult. And let's start to read the question. Find the area completely enclosed by the curves y equals to e to the x and negative y in power x, and the lines x minus 1 and x equals to 1. So first of all, let's sketch the graph. We know that the graph of e to the x is exponential graph, exponential growth first, and that's how we have to make the graph of the function like this. So it is equals to 1. Okay, and now the second function should be negative. So we know that it is a reflection. So it's a reflection in x-axis. So our graph is going to be like this. So this is a second curve, e in power x and negative e in power x. And now it says that it is enclosed between the lines x equals to negative 1 and x equals to 1. Okay, let's see how it looks like. So negative 1 is for this, and x equals to 1 here. Okay, and now we have to find this area. We have to find this area. There are two ways how we can solve it. First way is easier way. We can just find this area, guys, yeah, this area, and then just multiply it by 2, because the second part is exactly the same in terms of the area. Okay, let's find the area of that one. We use integral from negative 1 to 1, left integral from negative 1 to 1. Yeah, this one I'm just underlining here, and we're just plugging the function here, e to the x dx. Okay, now let's continue our calculation. I just want to remind, this is a paper 1, no calculator allowed. That's why let's avoid using calculator. So how we can do? We know that the antiderivative of e to the x is e to the x. Doesn't change, right? So that's why we will just plug negative 1 and 1. First, according to the formula, it will be 1 minus e to the minus 1. Okay? And that's how we will get the value of e to the 1 minus 1 over e, right? So this is the area of the half of the shape. Now let's multiply it by 2. So the total area will be equal to 2 times this e minus 1 over e. And it is actually it, guys. So we have solved the question. Well done, we solved the question, right? So this is the total area. So that's how these 4 marks are distributed. So you basically, it's 1 mark for method that you understand. Usually it's for the this part, we can say that M1 for method and A1 for correct placing the function. And after that you can just make calculation here. It's another 1 mark and the final mark for the final answer. So that's how you can get the 4 marks for this question. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. Just subscribe and watch my other videos related to the IB Math AA and AISL, all branches of IB mathematics. See you in the next video and good luck.